Alright, well, I had a CFG faucet break apart, snapped apart right on the plastic, and was able to locate the replacement deal, so just kind of making sure that this lines up properly. When I took it from a new one, and so just going to verify that everything does what it's supposed to do with the new one. Here's the deal. And this deal. And that's good. It's a done deal. Let's see, there's actually a little O-ring in the old one I need to recover, so I'll take that apart and take that little O-ring out and reuse that in the new one. And let's see, here's that. Oh, this already has it. Okay, this one already has it, but I'll probably save that from the old one just in case I need it for something else. That's cool. So it's got this little cap deal that keeps anything from getting in there. I'll go ahead and put that in there and I'll replenish the supply. This one I'll save this little strainer and a little O-ring just in case one ever gets lost. Of course, it'll be not so easy to find if it does ever happen, but I'll put it in a safe spot. That'll be that.